Hey guys, Glenmurray Online. How are you? Happy Friday. Mic's on. Everything's going. What an exciting time. Exciting. Hopefully you're staying safe, all that good stuff. Um, and where's my notepad? Today's today's episode is email marketing for beginners 2020. But more importantly, this is the $1 million presentation formula. And what I want to do is I want to give you an opportunity to get what I just got at a super amazing discount. So pay attention. At the end, I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about and where to go and get what you need. So let's just if you like videos about making money online, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification button. Hit the subscribe button, notification button right now, and you're all good. All right, so do you want to achieve more leads and sales online? Yes, that is our goal, right? So there's been an academy created that is like I gotta read you some of these quotes, guys. These are some of the top marketers in the industry. So where is it here? Let me just grab the testimonials. Oh, I can't get to the testimonials that way. Bummer. Okay. So, anyways, Stone Evans is one of them. These guys are huge in the industry. So, what am I talking about? Well, there is you guys know now that Now Lifestyle is what I'm throwing my weight into right now because it's a great platform. We've been waiting for the launch. It's in early bird, so you want to make sure that you jump in, get it. So here's the trick to doing it, right? You want to jump in, you want to grab it, you want to get the reseller with either the platinum or the gold. I recommend the platinum because then you get paid on all levels. And what you want to do is you want to go then buy traffic and send traffic to it. Because right now, you want to piggyback on the excitement of this program. And this is why you want to be doing this for probably the next, I would say, 90 days. You want to be piggybacking on all the excitement because there's a lot of big producers that are out there that are talking about it and all this kind of thing. And you want to get your message out there, your emails out there, because people are gonna be joining you. Like that's the way it is, right? You want to get your cookie on their machine, so to speak. So you want to maximize your influence, your income, and your impact. Okay, so part of Now Lifestyle, they have something called the Academy, and I went all in on it because I feel like I walk the walk, so I don't say go get something unless I've done it. And B, it pays 100% commissions. You get to earn 100% commission on it, which is amazing on products like this because it's a high ticket product, right? So you want to be able to earn a 50% front end, a 25% match check. So anybody on your team that sells it, you get 25% income on it, and then there's 25 in a binary, which is unheard of in affiliate marketing because part of this affiliate marketing program is a actual binary compensation plan. It's very, very cool. So what do you get with the Academy and why bought it and why you need to buy it? There's 4 main modules. Each module is worth about $500. The first one is Personal Branding Blueprint. This is basically establishing yourself as an authority, right? Learning how to do this. You need to do this, guys. This is imperative. You want to have success, you need to establish yourself as an authority. You create a brand name. It can be your name can be the brand, and you stand out from the competitors. You get all the customers to fall hypnotically in love with you because you know how to market. You know how to create this branding blueprint, guys. I get tons of emails every day saying, "Hey, I love your stuff, love your stuff." All I've just been doing the same thing. I'm me. I'm just me. I'm talking on camera. That's all I've been doing. But I studied. I bought a ton of courses on personal branding, learning how to brand myself, right? It wasn't natural. I had to learn. So what did I do? I bought courses. So basically this teaches you how exactly to take who you are and create the brand that you are. Basically, it just makes who you are a brand that people are going to follow. The second one is really important. It's called team branding, and this is how you really you 10x your business by basically becoming, I would call it even becoming an influencer, right? This is where you take your personal brand and you basically infuse it into a team where people can talk about. So one of my emails I sent out the other day was, well, why did John Crestini join our Now Lifestyle, right? Because he's smart, right? Why do you do it? Why is Stone Evans in? Like, why do all these people buy into this program, why the Webergs do it, because they're smart, right? So that's team branding, using those names, using your name, and attracting customers because of the excitement, and knowing that they're like one shoulder away from talking to a pro that's making some really good money in the industry. It also comes with email marketing mastery, and a lot of people go, "Oh, email's dead." Email is not dead, guys. Tell you over and over. I sent out a one of the other programs that I promote. I sent out an email regarding a 15 second leads formula, and if you're on my list, you probably got that. And it's a lead magnet for $1, but it teaches people. There's 4 trainings in it that teach people how to basically do TikTok, which is so cool. But I only got that because I've been studying email mastery, just like personal branding. I've been spending a lot of time and buying trainings on email marketing mastery. So this is yet another one, and this is what you really want to be in. You need this program. And lastly, it comes with the $1 million presentation formula. And this is the owner of the company, Now Lifestyle, has made multi-millions. He's going to go into the billions with this launch, and you want to be part of it. You need to be part of it. And he's going to give his 100% $1 million presentation blueprint. It's the formula to ethically influence your audience to buy, how to command your viewers' undivided attention, how to implement social proof the right way to 10x sales, remove all objections, every single objection, so your customers have no risk, and how to create irresistible calls to action that convert. So this is what comes in it, and this is why you need to jump in. I'm going to put the early bird link below. Get in the early bird link, become a reseller, and then grab. You've got 2 days, I think, left to grab the lifestyle. Even if you get it at a later date, I don't think it's going to be that much more expensive. But I highly recommend, if you see this video right now, it's May 8th. Grab it. If you see it after May 10th, then grab it anyways. You're still going to get my bonuses. And what I'm giving away is I'm going to give away another $3,000 worth of training. This is training that helped me start growing my business, been able to get rid of my real estate license and focus 100% online. And I want to give that training to you. It's set up in a members area. You will have access to all that training as well. So you will be able to basically, from now, if you work hard for the next 90 days, you're going to be going, I'm going to spend 2 hours studying a day, and I'm going to spend 1 hour marketing. 2 hours study, 1 hour marketing. 2 hours study, 1 hour marketing. And implement. Don't just study. You need to implement. You actually need to get in the trenches and work. When you get in the trenches and work, when you're hitting send, when you send those emails, when you're hitting the button to record your video, that's working in the industry. Training is great. That's part of it, but that's not going to, those are not the money making activities that you need to be doing. Those are the long-term business building activities, but they're not the money making activities. The money making activities are seriously pressing send on an email campaign, pressing record on a video button, pressing publish on a blog article. Those are the 3 things that make you money. So guys, I want you to make sure that you grab the link below. I will put my bonuses there, and you'll get an email from Joel saying you've got like 22 days to get the lifestyle. You want to get it. And for all of you that have joined me on this thing, reach out to me, message me. If you haven't got your bonuses yet, then absolutely reach out, message me, and say, hey Glenn, how do I get my bonuses? Let's get going. If you're still on the fence about it, everything is 30-day risk-free. It's risk-free stuff, guys. You need to get in. You need to try it. And if you're going, well, Glenn, I just don't have a budget, we'll figure out a way. If you are serious about changing your life, you need to figure out a way to do this. Whatever it takes, you need to figure out a way to get it done. Go for it. You need to do it. Like, who was I talking to? Someone was talking about, like, sorry, I'm going to be calling you out if you watch my video. They were talking about, oh yeah, I think I might upgrade in that next week or the week after. It's like, why? What is different 2 weeks from now than, okay, oh, I got paid. Well, figure out a way to get that prior. Put it on a credit card. Do it. Because success loves speed. You want to have speed. Speed is what creates momentum. Momentum is what makes people want to be involved in it. When you have zero momentum, or everything is moving at a slow speed, people lose interest. You want to be moving at a very rapid speed, so people go, yeah, this is exciting. Because a lot of people like doing businesses, like this because of the excitement. We're learning. We're always pushing the envelope. When there's a new training that comes out, we're like, yeah, let's go do this. Oh, there's a new method. Let's go do this. Let's go do this. We're trying new methods. We're not always definitely changing programs, although some people do promote a lot of programs along the way because they have a massive audience, and they go, yeah, 10% of my audience is going to love this. Boom, 10% of my audience will love this. And that's true. But really, people love momentum. They want speed. They want to go, 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 go. So make sure you click the link below, get set up, get your early bird list, get registered there, get your reseller in either your platinum or your gold, and then grab the Now Lifestyle Academy, and then you message me and I will send you all the bonuses. You will have I'll send you a link. I'll put a link of what the bonuses are below so you can see them, and then from there you are set. Then we'll open up all our mastermind Facebook groups for you. Whatever you need, we will be there. When you have a question, you just have to ask. There's no dumb questions. Some people are just getting started. They're not even sure what an email autoresponder is. And that's why you need to go step by step by step and learn all this stuff. If you're a seasoned marketer, then you know you need all this stuff. Get on board. What as a seasoned marketer, what other training program is going to pay you 100% commissions? None. None. There isn't one, guys. So you need to be to be part of this launch and part of this the academy. All right, guys, that's what I have for you today. Enjoy yourself. It is pizza night here and movie night. I'm gonna go join my kids right now. I'm gonna post this and I'm gonna go join my kids and we're watching Princess Brides. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button below, and I will see you on the other side. Bye.